Bone marrow transplant or stem cell transplant, hematopoietic stem cell transplant as we call it, is a process where the stem cells from the bone marrow or the blood are taken from a donor and transfused into the recipient. There are two types of bone marrow transplant or stem cell transplants which are available. One is autologous, that is, the patient's own stem cells are harvested. Then the patient is given a high dose of chemotherapy, and the same stem cells which have been derived from the patient are infused into the patient after some time. There is another stem cell transplant which is available, which is allogenic stem cell transplant, wherein a donor, which is a matched donor, is available, and the stem cells are harvested from this matched donor and they are transfused into the recipient after the chemotherapy dosing. Stem cell transplant, the procedure is actually like a blood transfusion, but there are things involved prior to the transplant and there are things involved post transplant. Prior to the transplant, there is something called as harvesting, which is collection of the stem cells, which takes close to 5 to 6 hours after the matching, and then the chemotherapy is given to the patient, and then the stem cells are transfused just like blood transfusion over a period of 3 to 4 hours, seeing for the any hypersensitivity reactions. After this, there is an observation period which follows, because usually the WBCs go down, hemoglobin goes down, and the platelets go down. There is a risk of infection which lasts for 2 to 3 weeks, and also the graft which has been put into the patient has to take uptake, so that has to start forming the blood cells. So that process usually takes 3 to 4 weeks after the transplant. Autologous, as we said, transplant is available in all private hospitals. Close to 7 to 8 lakhs is the usual cost. If it's allogenic transplant, that is the donor is different person and the recipient is a different one, then depending on what is the match, if it's a full match, usually the cost in any private hospital is close to around 15 to 20 lakhs. If the match is not full, that is, it's a half match or less match than the full match, then the cost escalates to close to 25 to 35 lakhs also. Bone marrow or stem cell transplant is especially useful for patients of blood cancer, that is lymphoma and leukemias, who have relapsed after treatment. So the patients have had their chemotherapies in the past, they have responded, they were well for few years or maybe few months, and then the disease has come back. So such patients are the ones who will benefit. 30 to 40% of such patients can be cured and made long-term survivors with the use of stem cell transplantation.